This video will show you how to run the machine complete cleaning on a La Brillante or G100. So let's start with the coffee brewer cleaning. So you press the water drop button and you go to the brewer. There's rinsing and with tablets. So the rinsing, just simple rinse the system, and it probably only takes 2 minutes. The water will just dispense into the drip tray. The with tablets is where we're gonna go into today. The good things about this machine is the display, the screen shows you every single steps what you need to do to the machine.
Nice.
Let's say for now is wait for the espresso to be initialized. The second step, remove the drip tray. You'll find the waste water in there. Just empty it and then put the drip tray back. The next step, insert the tablet into the brewer via the chute or open the door. I personally suggest insert the tablet from the top because it's much more easier rather than you opening and close the door. So you open the top flap, have your coffee brewer cleaning tablets ready. Yep. And then drop down from the top.
Thank you.
Yep. And then close the door. Press confirm. Place a container with a capacity of at least 4 liters under the nozzle to catch the wastewater. And here we use this kind of container.
Okay.
As long as the container can sit on the drip tray and doesn't fall off.
Okay.
And then press OK.
Okay.
And then the screen tells you how many cycles is remaining. So now it has like 10 cycles remaining.
A few moments later.
All right. Once the machine finished the coffee brewer cleaning, it will automatically back to the selection panel. So now you're able to just remove the waste container, pour it out, and the machine is ready to use. Now let's continue with the milk cleaning. So the same, press the water drop button and you go to the milk. Still the same rinsing, and with tablet rinsing, the simple water rinse out the milk nozzle. With tablets is what we aim for today. So we select the with tablet. The first step tells you to place a container with a capacity of at least 4 liters underneath the nozzle. So here we use the same container.
Thank you.
And then remove the milk container, open the fridge door, pull out the milk container, wipe off any milk residues, and then insert the cleaning container detergent, cleaning tablets, press confirm. During the cleaning, you don't need to fill any water into the container, because the machine will fill the water by itself. So the first part is machine shoots water into the container to dissolve the tablets. And the second step is the machine will retrieve the water from the container, which is a detergent water, to rinse out the milk system. And then the third step is the machine shoots clear water back into the container again. And the last steps is use the clean water to rinse out this milk system again.
A few minutes later.
Once the machine finished the milk cleaning, it will ask you to remove the cleaning container and clean the milk pipe, and then reinsert the milk pipe into the container, and then the machine is ready to use again.